Hello there, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing my C-TEC CFP system that I've recently installed. I'm going to be testing the heat element on my multi-sensor. I've only got one zone wired up at the moment, but I will be adding, as you can see there, smoke detector and also a manual cool point at some point as well, with an available zone still for additional expansions. So yeah, so that's it there. Looks quite neat, mounted on the wall in my wardrobe. It isn't wired in FP. The reason being is because, as you're aware, FP cable, FP200 mainly, is quite expensive, and yeah, I didn't really want to be spending a load of money on this system. So what I did instead, obviously it's nowhere near as good as FP, but it's certainly more desirable than normal flex. I've just gone for heat resistant flex. So yeah, you know, not ideal, but it's also 0.75 mil. Normally for fire alarms you use 1.5 millimeter square cable, but I mean, for the short cable runs that I've got on this system, things like voltage drop aren't really an issue. So yeah, it's alright. I've got a nice roll of that there, so when I want to do expansions I can easily do that. Now there are two bits of conduit here, as you can see, and obviously that one there's the mains that just goes into a unswitched fuse spare, and this one here is currently full. So we've got the zone 1 cable and sounder circuit 1, which goes to that, which that top piece is a conventional sounder base, so that's just on a sounder circuit, and then that is a multi-sensor, so that's got smoke and heat sensors in it, and yeah, that's on zone 1, and at the moment they are the end of line as there are no other devices on the system. So yeah, and one other thing, oh yeah, as I was saying, so there's 2 bits of conduit, so that one's full now. I did put a secondary one in so that for the additional zones and sounder circuits, whatever, I've got plenty of flexibility to add those in. There is currently a power fault, which you might not be able to read that text, but that says general fault and that says power supply fault. That is because I haven't yet got any backup batteries to go in the panel. I'm probably just going to get 2 1.2 amp hour packs, as you know, I'm only going to have like 3 devices on the system, so it's not going to draw too much current from the panel, so we should be alright in that sense. But yeah, so at the moment it has got a fault, but that will be resolved soon. Yeah, got my lanyard here, my keys on. Yeah, it's quite nice. Got that from a local alarm company. Shout out to Brook Security. They're a highly accredited alarm company if you live in Kent or any of the sort of home counties. Yeah, not got that many keys on it at the moment, so it's just the control panel. Obviously that is for a Cranford Controls cool point, but I won't be using that on my system. I'll probably go for a KAC one instead, and that is for a secret key, I believe they're called, a test switch. So that is either used for like you can get like isolators for fire alarm panels. I just used a unswitched fuse spare because they're considerably cheaper than one of these special key switches, but it's probably not allowed anymore because of new regulations, but it's fine for this instance. So yeah, that's what, also emergency lights as well, you can use those. So anyway, I'll stop ranting on. Yeah, that's it. So let's get on with the test. So to test this sensor up here, I'm actually going to be using a hairdryer because the heat element in that rate of rise, so it's not set at like 90 degrees. It will basically work out how quickly the heat is rising, and if it's above a certain threshold, then it obviously goes into an alarm condition. I haven't got any artificial smoke yet, and I don't really fancy contaminating it with all the other crap that you can spray into it. But yeah, so I'll be using a hairdryer for this test. So yeah, let's get on with the test, shall we? So the LEDs will light up red when it goes into alarm, and it will probably take about 4 or 5 seconds for the sounders to go off. Now I'm just warning you, the sounder is on high volume because I want it to wake me up if there ever was a smoke, or yeah, basically. So yeah, it looks quite nice. It's annoying how the sounder base has gone a bit kind of orangey yellow, but yeah. Yep, so let's get on with the test. So I'm just gonna hairdryer go into the alarm. Going off. Got all the keys. Yeah, as you can tell, that is extremely loud, and if you look, see the LEDs are now on continuous. So yeah, that proves that it's been tested. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, a thumbs up would be great, and also a subscribe. I will be creating a new channel soon. This will be my personal channel, so the videos on this channel will eventually all be deleted, and there will be a secondary channel that I will make, and it will be everything really. So electrical, fire alarms, burglar alarms, RC cars, technology, it will cover everything, you know. So yeah, should be quite a good variety channel, and also some sports cars as well. There'll be more on that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm just going to leave this in alarm for a good 5-10 minutes, just so that it doesn't go off again and scare the crap out of me. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, see you later.